Starting with the mitral valve, it's best auscultated at the left fifth intercostal space along the midclavicular line, which is also where we find the apex of the heart. This is where you'll listen for S1, the sound of the mitral valve closing, a critical clue in assessing ventricular function. Moving up, we have the tricuspid valve located along the left lower sternal border near the fourth intercostal space. This point helps us assess right-sided heart sounds and detect issues like tricuspid regurgitation. Next, the pulmonic valve is best heard at the left second intercostal space, just lateral to the sternum. This is where we listen for signs of pulmonary hypertension or murmurs related to pulmonic stenosis. Finally, the aortic valve is auscultated at the right second intercostal space beside the sternum. In this area, we can detect murmurs associated with aortic stenosis or regurgitation.